Edmonton, the capital city of Alberta, Canada, offers a variety of attractions for visitors. Here are some popular tourist attractions in Edmonton. 1. West Edmonton Mall. One of the largest shopping malls in the world, West Edmonton Mall features over 800 stores, a water park, an indoor amusement park, an ice skating rink, a mini golf course, and more. 2. Edmonton Valley Zoo. Located in the River Valley, the Edmonton Valley Zoo is home to over 350 animals from around the world, including endangered species like red pandas and snow leopards. 3. Fort Edmonton Park, Canada's largest living history museum. Fort Edmonton Park offers a glimpse into the city's past with historical buildings, costumed interpreters, and interactive exhibits. 4. Alberta Legislature Building. Situated in the heart of downtown Edmonton, the Alberta Legislature Building is an impressive architectural landmark. Visitors can take guided tours of the building and learn about Alberta's political history. 5. Muttert Conservatory. Featuring 4 glass pyramids, the Muttert Conservatory showcases a variety of plant species from different climates and regions, including tropical, arid, temperate, and seasonal displays. 6. Edmonton River Valley. Spanning over 160 kilometers of trails, parks, and green spaces, the Edmonton River Valley offers opportunities for hiking, biking, picnicking, and enjoying scenic views of the North Saskatchewan River. 7. Elk Island National Park. Located just east of Edmonton, Elk Island National Park is home to a diverse range of wildlife, including bison, elk, moose, and over 250 species of birds. Visitors can enjoy hiking, wildlife viewing, canoeing, and camping in the park. 8. Art Gallery of Alberta. This contemporary art gallery showcases Canadian and international artwork through exhibitions, collections, and educational programs. The building's striking architecture is also a draw for visitors. 9. Alberta Aviation Museum. Housed in a historic hangar at the former Edmonton Municipal Airport, the Alberta Aviation Museum features a diverse collection of aircraft and exhibits that highlight the province's aviation history. 10. TELUS World of Science. A popular science museum and planetarium, TELUS World of Science offers interactive exhibits, hands-on activities, IMAX movies, and live science demonstrations for visitors of all ages. 11. Edmonton Folk Music Festival. Held annually in Gallagher Park, the Edmonton Folk Music Festival is one of the city's premier music events, featuring performances by renowned artists from around the world. 12. Royal Alberta Museum. With exhibits on natural history, human history, and cultural heritage, the Royal Alberta Museum provides insights into Alberta's diverse landscapes, ecosystems, and Indigenous cultures. These attractions offer a wide range of experiences for visitors to explore the rich history, culture, and natural beauty of Edmonton and its surroundings.